having a bit of arcade time. We found in Llandudno. So we went to the arcade and spent an hour there just killing off time, but now it's absolutely pouring with rain, and this always happens on Mum's birthday week or weekend, and that is happening Friday, so it is raining in Wales, which is their typical weather supposedly, but not our kind of weather we like on holiday. So this is like their tourist shop, tea rooms, farm shop, everything all rolled into one. So we had a look here the other day, didn't we?
Yeah, I didn't find anything.
And it just has like everything in it, basically.
Yeah.
But it's a good place to kind of get your souvenirs and stuff.
I want to play that, yeah.
Have a look around.
Okay.
Where do you want to go to?
Wait, guys, I love you. I love you.
You do. Look, there's loads of stuff around here. And there's loads of miniature shops within here as well. So I'm really happy because I just found that they do gluten-free cake and it's carrot cake, which is my absolute favourite.
Okay.
So what did you get, Alice?
What's your favourite
bit, Alice? You've got a little Welsh doll.
And it's called Millie.
Oh, wow. Are you going to look after her? Keep her safe? Don't let go? So guys, Alice and I have decided to just chill in the hot tub for a bit and cool off, and we've just met one of the dogs.
It's piping hot in here.
And she was a total cutie. She had cuddles with me, put her paws on her.
Is it very warm in here? Piping hot. It's like hotter than like ice.
Okay, so now we're just going to chill.
Okay.
So guys, it's 20 to 9 in the evening. We've headed out to see Conway Castle. Supposedly it's meant to be lit up in the evening, so let's see if it will be. So guys, over there in the distance is Conway Castle, all lit up and looking amazing. We've kind of parked on the other side of the river to see it, but it looks really beautiful, all lit up.
Guys, that's